Welcome to in front of me Realme GT 2 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that here click to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the sound mode section, tap there, and now just to turn on silent mode, switch the ringing to the silent by this way. And as can you see, the ringtones and notifications, they are muted, and this means that we just successfully activate silent mode on our device. Just to turn off silent mode by the same way, switch it here to ringing mode, or also we can do it by the second way, just activate the ringtones, unmute ringtone, and by this way you will also turn on or turn off silent mode on our device. Also, we got the third way how we can do that. Just open first notification panel, and here you can see the silent mode and ring icon. Just to activate the silent mode, click twice on this bell icon, and now as can you see, we just successfully activated silent mode. And to turn it off, click only once on this icon, and now our device is in ringing mode. And one more way how we can just turn on or turn off the silent mode: press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here once on the bell icon, and by this way you can see that we just activated silent mode. And just to turn it off, click here once again on the bell icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.